Birds. At what point does bird flight exist in humans? Bird songs. Bird faces. I just want to get into your good graces and watch you make
bird faces.
What is a bird? Animalia, aves, archosauria, attacks, avian flu, aviation, bird flight, birds, class, chordata, conspiracies, Care Bears, constellations, Canada, dinosaurs, dogfish, DDT, doves, eggs, eviction, eagle, flight of fancy, feathers, goose, geese, hollow bones, H5N1, hawk, hawk suit, halibut massacre of 2032, instinct, innate, kingdom, kites, lil briefs, Luftwaffe, land, money forever, mighty blue monster, mallards, nomenclature, night, owls, phylum, parade, perch, quails, robots, religion, robin, rooster, subphylum, songs, strip mines, seamstress, tiny people, talons, umbrellas, vertebrata, vultures, V formation, WDKWTCT, wren, wrens, wing, wings, winged migration, warm-blooded, Yucatan Peninsula, zoos, zodiac. This is what the weird thing is about it when I bought the beer, is that there's this bird man behind the counter, and the bird man said to me, he said, "Can I see your ID?" And then I said, "Yeah." And then he said, "Can I see your Yale ID also?" I was like, "What? What do you see my Yale ID skis for?" The bird man behind the counter who sold me the beer. They're going mad. Their bearings have melted. Birds, the most diverse class of terrestrial vertebrates, are born with an internal map of the stars. This is how they migrate. Birds also come into this world with an innate desire to destroy humanity, passed down from their dino ancestry over the millennia. No longer large enough to swoop down upon mankind from the skies, birds have resorted to their last resort, bioterror. Slowly, they are destroying the halibut population so as to prevent any antidote for what they are about to unleash. Halibut liver oil being the crucial link in the fight against bird influenza and H5N1. In the year 2032, the birds will organize in an unprecedented interspecies attack to destroy the last of the halibut and set off an unstoppable chain of events that will leave humanity helpless in its wake.